To proceed further, like this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Nadeem Shahzad, press bell icon for latest information and share with friends. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Basically today we will unbox this MacBook Pro. The model is 2020 and we will open this MacBook and I will show you the specification of this MacBook. See, it's basically 13-inch LED backlight display with the True Tone technology. Then 1.4 gigahertz quad core Intel Core i5 with 128 MB EDRAM processor. Then 8 GB memory DDR3, 256 GB SSD, Intel IRS Plus graphics 645. Or then there are basically two Thunderbolt USB Type-C support for the high-speed I/O and video, and headphone jack, stereo for stereo speaker, full-size backlight Magic Keyboard, then Wi-Fi, then FaceTime HD camera, and pre-installed Mac OS. And size and weight clearly mentioned here. So we will unbox this one, then we will see what's inside. So I think we will cut this laptop and I open. This is quite new 2020 model. You will see what's inside. Then this is, I'm just opening this laptop, this box, and see what inside items available. Wow, it's amazing. It's a box, it's a white color box, and there is MacBook Pro laptop. This is completely packed with the paper. Then I will show you, there is one charger, C-type charger for Thunderbolt to connect. Then there is also a manual from the Apple. You can read this manual, and there's also logos you can put for your, you can put these logos on your car, these logos normally people putting on the car. And there is some other information in this document, and there is also a cover of the document. Then I think this is MacBook Pro model A2289. Then we have charger also. There's a charger, and you can also, we have socket also. We can do like this one and fit it like this. I think enough. And Type-C charger we can put here, cable into the charger. I'm just removing this packing, and we can use this charger over here. Then it's quite expensive laptop, and but its quality and everything, everybody knows Apple, how they giving. And this is laptop. I'm just removing this paper, and then it's a space gray color. It's very nice, and there are is audio jack, front side, it's a back side, then front side. Then we have this side also, two Thunderbolt port, and here we can copy our data. So that was the basically unboxing of Apple MacBook Pro, and hope so you will you like this Apple product, and if you like, and if you're a lover of the Mac, maybe you will purchase of this laptop as well. Let me open. Wow, again it's packed. It started now. So this is the presentation how to open, unboxing, and what was inside of this model. And it's quite expensive, and also there is a 512 GB model also. You can purchase that one. Thank you so much. So here, written and spoken language. I just going to the next. Then I'm connecting to the Office network. Putting password. Then continue. It's just taking some time. No, data and privacy. Next. There are 3 options normally coming from Mac, from Windows PC. Transfer information of this Mac. Okay, if you have previous data on your laptop, desktop, whatever, you can use either one. From Mac, time machine backup. Otherwise, from Windows PC, if you're selecting this one, then data is coming from Windows to Mac. Then don't transfer my information. Don't transfer my information. Then I'm doing this. Apple ID asking. I'm not putting any Apple ID right now. Set up later. Skip. Then terms and condition. I agree. Okay. Without agree, you cannot do anything. And I'm putting it's a user information. Putting password. You can change later, no problem. Then hint is optional. Okay, I'm not putting any hint right now. Express setup. Analytics. Siri enable. Okay, no problem. Then ask Siri in English. Okay. Siri setup will later. Improve Siri detection. Not now. Later we will do. I'm just configuring the basic level. Then you will see what is inside of the new Apple. So there is also putting Touch ID. There is also Touch ID. Here is Touch ID, and somebody can put their fingers and they can use as a touch also. Continue. Setup ID later. Setup. Continue. And there is also choose your look. How light, dark, and auto. I'm just putting on the auto. It means that when night is coming, the screen will become as a night. When day is coming, screen will become the day position. Then continue button. I'm selecting keyboard setting. Then true tone display. Setting up Mac is the final stage. Then you will see what is inside of this Apple. Now this is the final stage and interface of the Mac. I'm just going to the basic configuration of the Apple. What is the configuration inside? I'm just putting. So these are the configuration. Mac OS X Catalina, MacBook Pro, then processor, memory, okay, and that's what the basic introduction of the Apple. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hope you will subscribe and like our channel. Thank you so much.